Hello gamers, Theseus here, and I'm going to show you guys how to get the skeleton key, which is pretty much an unbreakable lockpick. So you're going to want to go to the Nocturnal Shrine, which is pretty much south of the map, and you're going to speak to this goddess right here. She's going to say, hey, someone took my all-seeing eye, and blah, 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 blah. Once you go retrieve it, she should be able to give you the unbreakable lock pick, which is really incredible to have. Yeah, she does a lot of talking. And she's pretty slow, so I'm like, oh my god.
In Leowen, two Harmonians think themselves secret, but the eye has... Find these thieves in the city that spans the waters. Learn where they hide my eye. Retrieve the eye of nocturnal mortal, and return it to me, and I shall look favorably upon you.
Alright, once she's completed, you're just gonna head south. You can stay around the edge of the water to follow it if it's easier or whatever, but it's directly south in this cave called Tidewater Cave. I previously went there before I made the video, so that I could just teleport there. So when you go in the cave, there's going to be some trolls and other creatures. Depending on what level you are, they're going to be strong. You're just going to go straight until you're able to make the first left, and then you're going to go straight a little bit more, and then make another left, and you're going to see like this pool of water that you got to go underneath the water. Yep, make another left, and when you go underneath here, there'll be a box that you can loot, a chest box. And if you look just above the chest, you'll see the eye floating right there. And that's pretty much it. Just get it, head back out. Since you have the other place saved, you can just fast travel back there, and you should be able to get the skeleton key, which is a really great artifact in the game. Definitely worth having. Absolutely, guys.
Is returned.
And there she goes, talking again. Extremely happy to get her eye back. So you get rewarded with the skeleton key, and it's all good in the hood. Well, guys, follow me for more tips and tricks. I'm gonna have some more videos coming out. Happy hunting, and Theseus out.
Dark places.